My name is Karen Chang from Canada, and I am the founder and CEO of Umbrella Consulting.
I am Nompumelelo Simelane from Swaziland. I am the Chief Financial Officer for National Maize Corporation.
I'm Chrissy Cruz. I'm from the Philippines. I'm a Syspro implementation consultant from Seven Rivers.
I'm Julia Maynard. I'm from Northern California. I'm the owner of our Operations Resource Group.
I am Salva Lochin from South Africa. I am a business systems manager for Rest of Africa. I work at NAMPAC.
We're a Syspro channel partner.
I am a Syspro channel partner.
I am a Syspro channel partner.
I'm a Syspro channel partner.
And I am a Syspro customer.
The agriculture industry has always been male-dominated. I welcomed the challenge with both hands, understanding how important the role is as the company is entrusted with the country's food security.
NAMPAC is generally male-dominated, and I wanted to have a purpose as a female in a male manufacturing environment where I wanted to learn more about manufacturing and empowering our employees on the continent.
Very thankful for everyone who has fought for feminism and who has worked so hard to give us women's rights.
I have such huge admiration for these women that sacrifice so much and for their courage and determination.
They are also giving women the confidence to become policymakers as opposed to being coffee makers.
I think communication is the key for creating a more inclusive world between males and females.
Both males and females should look at what's not working. We need to break social norms. If a social norm casts any kind of judgment on people, then it shouldn't be a norm and needs to be challenged.
We need to teach our daughters to gain economic independence so that they will have a partner rather than a master.
Just to be fair, and treat everybody equal.
My greatest wish is to see a future where the ground is leveled for women and they command the same respect as men.
I wish that for the future, there will be no more inequality or bias around gender or stereotypes.
We're getting recognized more and more for our contributions, and it's only going to keep going.